because we got to trim this sago up.
Oh yeah, easy peasy.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, that?
Yeah.
That ain't squat.
Okay. I'm happy.
Now, some jobs you take because they're big, and some you take because they pay. And then there are the ones that you take because someone's been losing a quiet little battle in their own front yard. Now, this Sago Palm right here, it's been winning. Years of growth, storms rolling through, nobody really wanting to get too close to it. And for good reason. These things are about as forgiving as a box of rusty nails. You brush up against it wrong, and it'll remind you about that. And that's kind of how this one got away. The homeowner told us they stopped trying to trim it a while back. Reached in once, got lit up, decided, yep, it's enough of that. You can't really blame them. But the thing is about letting something like this sit, it doesn't stay the same. It thickens up, packs in underneath, and old growth piles in where you can't see it. And before long, even walking past it starts to feel like a bad idea. So now it's our turn. Slow cuts, careful moves, and try not to give this plant any reason to fight back harder than it already does. Now there's a clean shape hiding in here somewhere. You just gotta earn your way down to it. So stick with us to the end. This is one of those transformations that doesn't look real unless you see where it started. And if you like watching problems get handled the right way, go ahead and subscribe. We've got plenty more waiting.
We got this sago way trimmed back. This is pretty well overhanging into the walkway. That's much better than it was. Also did a little trimming on this hibiscus. Got Shane raking it out right now. We're getting the leaves to the middle so we can mow it, mulch everything in good. Alright, up to the front door here. Got this all done. We don't service the shrubs, but they don't look too bad. She might have us do them in the future. We did do the trimming on the Sago Palm here. That was pretty overhanging pretty well into the sidewalk here. Yeah, we got this little area all cleaned up. A lot of leaves in here. That was pretty fun. Have to get our little 36-inch stand up to get in here. Yeah, we packed this thing tight, stomped it down several times. Ooh, tripping. Oh, hey, look at that. Maybe. Started moving. Hey, there we go.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. Look at that nice square chunk.